Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. Remember, this video reflects my personal experience using the service. Today, we're looking at MyUSACorporation.com, a service aimed at assisting individuals and businesses with incorporating in the United States. Navigating the complexities of business formation can be daunting, but platforms like MyUSACorporation.com strive to simplify the process. They offer various incorporation packages designed to cater to diverse needs, whether you're a small startup or a larger enterprise. It's essential to thoroughly research and understand the specific requirements for incorporating in your chosen state. MyUSACorporation.com provides resources and information to help you navigate these legal and administrative hurdles. They appear to offer services such as registered agent services, compliance assistance, and document filing, streamlining the often cumbersome incorporation procedure. It's crucial to remember that the information presented here is for informational purposes only, and it's always advisable to consult with a legal professional for personalized advice tailored to your specific circumstances. When considering using a service like MyUSACorporation.com, it's important to compare their offerings and pricing with other similar providers. Factors to consider include the range of services offered, customer support availability, and the overall reputation of the company. Reading reviews and testimonials from other users can provide valuable insights into their experiences and the quality of service provided. Incorporation is a significant step in establishing a business, so due diligence in selecting a reliable and trustworthy partner is paramount. This overview is based on my initial impressions of the MyUSACorporation.com website and the services they advertise. I encourage you to explore their website further to gain a deeper understanding of what they offer. Starting a business can be challenging, and leveraging resources like those offered by MyUSACorporation.com can potentially simplify the process. Remember to carefully review all terms and conditions before making any decisions. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more information. Thanks for watching.